what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is KeneishaSays and I'm Keneisha. Before we get into it, I want you to go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button and share, okay? All right, so if you can see, you know, the topic, it says we're going to talk about pregnancy, what they did not tell you, right? And I can tell you that because I'm an experienced pregnant person. I have 3 kids. And so, you know, getting pregnant for the first time, my first child, I got pregnant very early. I got pregnant at 18. Yep. Man, yeah, because I thought I was in love. So I'm like, breed me. So I got pregnant early and, you know, I got pregnant only because, you know, I was in love and everything. And I used to see all these cute pregnant people walking around with all these glow and just looking so cute, right? And then all the baby clothes, don't mention that, like don't forget that, the baby clothes, them always look so cute. You're like, I wonder how I would look pregnant. Or I wonder how the baby would look, right? So, young and fresh, I feel like more and get pregnant because I love this man, right? So why not? What do I have to lose? Yeah, my mother don't watch this right now. My father don't watch it. I never know before, but this was planned. I never buck up. So, oopsies. So yeah, and so I was like, yeah, breed me. Let's do this thing. I'm ready. What I never tell you was that I know everybody get the glow. And everybody get the cute face and all these good looking perky breasts and all these things. No, lies. And I happen to be that person who blew it up like some big fish, and I gained like 70 pounds from 115 pounds, young little cute girl, right, to one big old mampy. I gained 70 pounds. So yeah, do the calculation. Max brain, that's 185 pounds. Little girl gain, right? Everybody think of the twin me I gonna have. Anyway, no glow. This a gray. Once a head of gray, everybody has some fancy name for colors. Me get black like a tire. You know what tire them? What punk here? Yeah? Black. Nothing wrong with black. I'm black. I appreciate that. But I make you know so the complexion completely change, like full blown change, right? So me get black, face bumpy, acne take over all over, and it's like I couldn't even recognize myself. Like after I had baby, my dad was like, "Oh my God, I was thinking that you were gonna come back." Cause I'm like, "Where's my daughter?" Everybody like I just was a different person. I transformed. Like the person that you know me being pregnant to who I was before. Like if you met me when I was pregnant, I would walk past you after giving birth because it was a totally different person. My voice changed. I sounded like a man, right? So I don't know what I tell us. Not everybody get them good looks there or something. Anyway, I had a beautiful bouncy little boy and I came back down, boop, jump back down way to 120 pounds, get back sexy look and all these things without exercise. I'm young and fit, so moving around, you know, I get back my weight and look nice and look how body start push up coming out of body flat, right? So looking all good. Boobs my breed again. 10 years time now, I never drop behind like just jump into pregnancy. Me kind of have a little something about myself, you understand? Now, put it out there if you say no, if you have one picnic from now till tomorrow, I have one now, I have one 2 years, and you know, I've not bought it. What I'm just say, I was young, I needed a time to get back to myself and start make life, right? I had baby at 19, so I never just books and jump into it again. So anyways, I had a baby again at 10 years from there. They're literally like 10 years apart. 10 years and 1 week apart. So my second pregnancy, I'm like, okay, every pregnancy different. Maybe I was so sexy with the first one and get the beautiful glow I don't want and all these things. So maybe the second one we do it, right? The second one was not me planning it was my husband planning it, right? And him never let me know. So him fault that one there. And I me, I him, right? Yeah, and everybody I wonder like, how can your husband get you pregnant without you knowing? Then can do it. It means that them do things whatever I expect, I don't tell her anything. So therefore you walk around like, ooh, everything's all fine. And then Bob's pregnancy test come, period now come out of it. So you have to wonder what is going on, why period not come yet. And then you go say, no, I do want pregnancy test, find out what they go on. Boops, you're pregnant, 2 line come up. Yeah, I never me do it, I him do it. Anyways, I had another bouncing baby boy. But tell you what, it had nothing to do with amount of food I may eat. Come in to eat no food with him. And the first one, I have everything. I'm in Jamaica in time. So KFC, Burger King, everything. Me all 3 of them one time. May I eat. Yeah, I'm pregnant, I'm supposed to eat. That was the excuse too. I'm pregnant, I'm hungry. And my husband was his first child. So therefore, if I say, he jump. You understand? The second one, I'm not really so hungry and all these things. So yeah, I think so I'm not going to gain the weight. Lies you tell. I gained 72 pounds with this one without eating anything. The doctor at the time was like, are you okay? Are you feeling any pain? Because this is like a world record in my book. Like I've never had a patient come here that gained so much weight without having like diabetes or something going on. I'm like, no, I'm fine. So I've me as her person that, just, ton of weight. And keep it in mind, so I never go 40 full weeks with none of them two there. I went 38 weeks with my first child and 37 weeks with my second one. And gained 70 and 72 pounds. Reach up in the 200 region with the second one. I never nothing good. Black same way, bloat up same way. I never nothing good. Yeah, I never nothing good. So again, them lies, so no. So if you never breed it, don't breed it. Don't breed again in a sure how you don't look if you're all about your image. You understand? So, third one.
No! No!
This I want to take with you a surprise. No, we don't know how it happened. I'm not Virgin Mary, but I did something like that because we still are trying to wonder. I did that day there. Or when? We still are trying to figure it out. But let me tell you something. Everything happened for a reason, right? Because me think some couldn't have girl pick me. And whoops, it was a girl. I was so excited. Like, we could have girl. Everybody said, no, I can't have no girl pick me. I'm gonna forget to tell us in my second pregnancy. Like, I cried like a baby when I found out that I was having a boy. I'm like, God, why I can't have one girl? Look how much other people have girl. What even need one girl and I can't get one girl? Well, third one was a blessing. Well, all of them are blessing, but you know what I mean. One girl didn't come into the world. And for this one, I gained another 70 pounds. But keep in mind, say, I have 115 pounds like the first one, right? This time I was 150 pounds because we had to go and come America and start eat up them food full of all kind of these fertilizer and all these things where I never know about organic until I come foreign. You understand? Because everything in Jamaica, if you never hear the accent, everything in Jamaica is organic because it's full blown grown from the ground. So coming here and going in the supermarket and see organic and all this, and like, what's the difference between this broccoli, organic, and this one? Oh, this one, they have a lot of fertilizer, and this one is fully grown from the ground. No pesticide, no this, no that. Okay? Why did you grow this one that way in the first place, though? Anyway, long story short, we come here, and right now I'm full food, and then something else, so I start gaining back weight and all these things. So, this one I start blow me up. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I crave all kind of Jamaican food. And nobody not up here and still no right food. I'm kind of picky with my food. You understand? I like run go restaurants and buy with people and food. But when I do feel for it, like right then and there, and I can't go and cook it myself because I'm pregnant. I'm lazy as hell. Plus I have a little one here because I got pregnant with the third one when he was like 4, going into 5. So I have this toddler running around with this big gut. Again, my son is so cute with the pregnancy. We blow it up like what you want to call it? Mudfish, whatever you want to call it. My big and fat like whoa. And I don't have any energy. And so I went up to over 215 pounds with the third one, okay? So keeping in mind, I never had no energy to cook all the time. And then people that never cook no good food. Them food tastes bad like wow. So it's that if I want good food, I forget food by cook it myself. Which wasn't fun all the time, right? Maybe in that first part of pregnancy, but when you're lazy and sorry to 9 months, I just start push your Burger King. So my sister-in-law, every time I go home and she call her and say, "May I come look for him?" I said, "Don't forget the Burger King." Yeah. So anyway, I had the third one and I'm like, remember, I'm older now, right? I got pregnant way older and I'm like, I'm not gonna come down. Come and kind of watch me just a little bit. But girl, this third one, I remember nothing about how I want to look. Because after me have to drop the baby, and this one went up to, like, I went to 40 weeks full blown with this one. So girl, the big, I understand, 200 and something pounds.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm not good. I couldn't walk. Every part of me hurts. And every pregnancy is different. Because all three, even though the first two were boys, I experienced different symptoms and everything. But what I'm never tell is that after you start getting up in that age and anything, I don't know if them tell you, but them never tell me. You know, come back down, boom bang, like how it did drop the first 2 times.
Please, no!
So, I'm like, everybody's like, Keneisha, you put on a lot of weight. I'm like, yeah, I see it. It's not anything new. I did it with the first 2. And this one is just 70 pounds more, right? So, I'm gonna come back. Did not happen. You see me? Big. You're not going back down yet. She's gonna be 3 in October, which means this not gonna away and girl lazy. I know say I need to go exercise no, cause the metabolism nah work like how it's supposed to work. I'm not young, I'm not 19 anymore. But lazy. Oh my god, I'm so lazy. By the time I run up and down with them and the type of job that I had, it's not easy to be running up and down with them and go exercise. And keep it in mind, so I have all kind of exercise apps on my phone, right? So I know what to do. I know I need to be eating healthier. So right now in my fridge, I have all kind of vegetables. Let me just look past sometime and go, I want some cookies, I want some ice cream. All of the cucumber and the spinach and the broccoli and the carrots and the tomato and all of them good eating, something I want to say tastes good. Well, I don't want it. I want food, right? And then I can't eat certain time of night and I can't do this. I mean, all the people that want to eat healthy and whatever, I was like, it's just not hard. And I know I have this person that I signed up for you to help me, and you haven't reached out and I haven't been responding. It's because I'm just lazy. I know what to do. I have all the exercise stuff and whatever. I need somebody to motivate me. It's hard work. And I wish I was 19 again where we just drop off and I never have to do crap. But it don't work that way. So, long story short, if somebody tell me, well, I can't even say if they tell me because here now, we never planned the second or the third one. So it's still dropping on my lap. But I just wish we could have go back to the first. You know, everybody have them preference. Don't get me wrong. Everybody have them preference. If you want to be skinny or you want to be fluffy, you know, everybody have them preference. My preference is being not maga, but as slim as, you know what I mean? Slim thick is a new thing. So this body, I'm not used to it, and I'm still trying to dress it and get used to it and comfortable. In the meantime, now and then, I have my husband now that is trying to motivate me and, you know, try to be my personal trainer. But it also need help in terms of when the seminar and do it today, it's like, okay, I need someone to say, get up off your ass, go downstairs in the basement and go work out. I mean, I'll come with you. We don't do this, we don't do that. And don't let me, because I'm very strong-willed. So if you allow me, I'm not going to do nothing, which is exactly what I was doing, nothing. So I need somebody to get my ass up. And I know you're a big girl, you can do it by yourself. It's what you want, I know. But again, me lazy. And so the weight keep on come on. And me keep on watch it come on. I'm keeping on something to do something about it. And it keep on happen. And I know me once day, so don't make me feel bad. Don't make me feel bad. Right? But I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right. So yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video, and I just want to say though, if you're planning on getting pregnant and you see everybody else around you in your family always big, it's a possibility that you're gonna be big too in the pregnancy. All right? And if you're pregnant already and realize that what Keneisha said to you is true, you not have them glowed and them pretty face and all these things what people say they don't have. Gosh. So good luck in your pregnancy if you are pregnant. But at the end of the day, remember, love yourself regardless of how you are, your shape, your size, your color. But do not judge somebody else who do not feel the same way. All right? So you all know that now I have 2 boys and 1 girl. So it means I know exactly what to do to get a boy or a girl. That's the best thing about having 3 kids and different sexes. And I will let you know a little bit of secret. If you want to hear on the next video, just leave in the comment section, as well as share your pregnancy. Tell me what kind of experience you had. Okay? All right, so until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And look out for new videos every Sunday. I promise you, one will be there for you to see. Until then, bye.